Hi, in this video we'll learn about line charts. We have a table for a random car model as X373 prices, and we have many dates. Basically we have from 2 weeks period, and we have dealer 1 and dealer 2 price for each period. Now we want to see a line chart that will help us to read easy the price evolution. For this, I'm going to select all the columns. I'm going to insert a line chart, 2D line, and as you can see, we already have the chart, and we can write in the title dealer price, and to be more readable, I recommend you to change the values of our price for the vertical axis on the left side. For this, I'm going to right click on it and format axis, and here we can insert a minimum value, and because the graph will be between 20,000 and 35, I will put 20,000, and that's it. Now the graph is more readable because we now also can increase the values to 23. Let's try to be more easy, and that's it. And now I suggest to insert and learn about a trend line. So in fact, in a line chart, it's recommended to insert a trend line to see the evolution, and also you will see that we can try to forecast some figures. Let's see, for example, I'm going to insert on the design tab an element, and on the trend line I will use the linear for dealer 1, and as you can see I got a blue trend line for dealer number 1. And now we have another element of our chart, it's the trend line for dealer number 1. We can also complete this action by select the other series and right click and add trend line. Now you can see that we have 2 trend lines, and this can help us to give a forecast for the periods that you need. Our period, it's in fact composed by 2 weeks, and let's say that we want for the next 3 months, meaning roughly 12 weeks. Let's see the result, and here we go. I'm going to insert also. So we have 12 periods, meaning that 12 periods of 2 weeks. So in fact we have more than 5 or 6 months. This is the trend that Excel gives us after we select the trend line function.